Great minds think alike is a proverbial expression that suggests individuals of superior intellect or wisdom often arrive at similar conclusions or share similar perspectives on a given matter. The phrase emphasizes the notion that intelligence or brilliance transcends individual differences, connecting exceptional minds to a shared understanding or thought process. The underlying concept behind great minds think alike is that individuals who possess extraordinary intellectual abilities tend to analyze and approach problems in similar ways. Their capacity for critical thinking, creativity, and logical reasoning enables them to navigate complex challenges effectively. Consequently, when confronted with a specific problem or situation, these exceptional minds are more likely to converge on comparable solutions or viewpoints. The proverb also implies that the minds of these exceptional individuals operate on a higher level of cognition. They possess a deep understanding of fundamental principles, theories, and concepts, allowing them to perceive patterns, connections, and underlying truths that may elude others. This shared cognitive prowess enables great minds to recognize and appreciate the same fundamental aspects of a problem, leading to similar thought processes and conclusions. However, it is important to note that the phrase does not imply that great minds are devoid of individuality or independent thought. While they may arrive at similar conclusions, they often do so through their unique perspectives, experiences, and expertise. The convergence of their thinking is a result of a deep understanding of the subject matter, rather than a lack of originality. Furthermore, great minds think alike suggests that exceptional intellects often gravitate toward similar principles, values, and ideologies. These shared convictions stem from a universal pursuit of truth, knowledge, and understanding. Great minds are not confined by narrow-mindedness or personal biases, but are driven by a desire to seek objective and rational solutions. The proverb also carries an underlying message about the power of collaboration and collective intelligence. When great minds come together, their combined intellectual prowess can lead to extraordinary breakthroughs, innovative ideas, and advancements in various fields. By leveraging their shared thinking, great minds can inspire and challenge each other, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and achievement. In conclusion, great minds think alike encapsulates the idea that individuals of exceptional intelligence and wisdom tend to converge on similar conclusions, perspectives, and solutions. It highlights the shared cognitive abilities, deep understanding of fundamental principles, and universal pursuit of truth that connect these exceptional minds. While embracing their individuality, great minds find common ground through their unique approaches to problem solving and their unwavering commitment to rationality and objective thinking. Through collaboration and collective intelligence, great minds have the potential to reshape the world and leave a lasting impact on society.